Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 BMW X5 xDrive35i. This vehicle comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Door controls, seat controls with memory seats, driver's seat, steering wheel, this nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle, rear seats, have a look at that sunroof. Rear climate control, including heated seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. When we're into the back, we've got our BMW and X5 badging and a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. And let's hop it in the driver's side. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 51,897. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our display currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have our climate control, heated seats for driver and passenger up here as well. And then we have our shifter and command module for making adjustments on the display. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.